In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Lowe's gift card balance. We'll go through each step together, ensuring you have all the information you need to get it done with ease. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, whatever you usually use. Type in Lowe's into the search bar and hit enter. You're on your way to accessing their main site. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for the entire process. Once your search results appear, look for the official Lowe's website. The correct link should be near the top of the list. Click on it to open the Lowe's homepage. It's important to select the correct link to avoid any phishing sites. This keeps your personal information secure. Now scroll down to the bottom of the Lowe's homepage. Near the footer, you will see a section labeled Gift Cards. Go ahead and click on it. This step is essential as it directs you to all things related to Lowe's gift cards. Next up, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for returning or reloading cards, checking your balance, and click on that link. This section is specifically designed for managing gift cards, making it a critical step on your journey. After that, you'll find a question that reads, "How do I check my gift card balance?" Underneath, there will be an online link. Click on this link to proceed to the balance checking page. By doing this, you ensure you are on the correct page for entering your details. At this point, you should see fields asking for your card number and PIN. Carefully enter your gift card number first, then type in the PIN. These numbers are usually found on the back of your gift card. Double-check them to avoid any entry errors, as accuracy here is key to success. With that ready, it's time for the final step. Click the Check Balance button. You will see your current gift card balance displayed on the screen. This gives you the information you need about how much is left on your card. Checking your balance regularly is important. It helps you plan your purchases better, ensuring you're never caught off guard at checkout. It also helps you keep track of any unauthorized activity. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your Lowe's gift card balance. With these simple steps, you can now manage your gift card with confidence. Remember, keeping track of your balance helps you make the most out of your shopping experience at Lowe's. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help simplify your daily tasks. Have a great day and happy shopping!